How to get bank statement on CommBank app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to get bank statement on CommBank app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the CommBank application on your device and log yourself in by entering the login credentials. Once you are logged in, tap on Accounts in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the required account under the Accounts tab. From here, tap on Account Name, and then here on the next interface that you will be led to, tap on the View Statements option. You will then be asked to enter in the 4-digit app PIN to continue further. So go ahead and enter the PIN. Once you are on the Statements page, simply tap on the download icon right next to the date for which you want to view the bank statement of, and this is how you can get bank statement in CommBank. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.